Ano song?
Just give me a reason.
Oh, just give me a reason. Sige. Duet ko. Ay, sasawa talaga. Consentidor duet. Okay?
You've been having real bad dreams. Whoa, oh, you used to lie so close to me. Oh, oh, there's nothing more than empty sheets between our love, our love. Oh, our love, our love. Just give me a reason, just a little bit's enough. Just a second, we're not broken, just bed, and we get to love again. Never stop. It's the written in the stars in our hearts. We're not broken, just bed, and we get to love again.
Ay, ang ganda! Fairness!
Bakit sa inyo?
Hindi, at marunong siya yung level ng birit, may kilabot factor din. Ang ganda. Fairness. Why? Galing ba kayo sa LQ? Eh, kasi yung meaning ng song eh. Galing sa away, di ba? Oh. Why? Ano? May nagawa yun ba recently?
Hindi po, maganda lang.
Eh, bakit? Hindi eh. Tungkol sa reconciliation siya eh, di ba? Di obviously may away na pinanggalingan. Wala naman.
Wala po.
Tapos alam mo, sorry intrigera kami sa show. Akala namin yung sister. What's her name? Oo. We all thought. Di ba